Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we have a very special guest all the way from London and a beautiful Balinese sister coming home from Italy to cook with me. Together we made urap pusuh biu, cukut bejek, serombotan, pesan bepase, and nangke mekuah. Such a fascinating time together and deeply meaningful conversation about our country and our culture. Thank you so very much for coming. Looking forward to meeting again. Matur suksena! Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now, we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksena!